love in India is very political, but I think love everywhere is quite political. Um, so I think it also was because of the beginning, how we were shooting our friends and
Yes.
all the intimate conversations. Inevitably, we came to the question of love, or who you could be with, or who you could marry. This was a general preoccupation amongst young people in India, and I think everywhere. So we thought that we're making a film that has university students. This is something that is playing on everybody's minds. So definitely, this idea of impossible love was something, but it's everyday life. It's not something that is just made up for the film. It's a struggle for everybody. So we wanted to have this aspect as one of the key components of the film. And I also think that if we want to talk about politics and we want to talk about political change, we really can't talk about it without talking about the social fabric that we live in. Political figures don't come out of the blue. They come because there's something going on in the society that you live. And India as a society is extremely, there's a lot of discrepancies with caste and class and even religion. So we felt that this story would be kind of, it's also kind of self-reflexive on the movements that we were part of, because the question of caste and these things, if we didn't address them within ourselves, I don't think we would be able to even get to the political change that we want, because if they are not addressed, then
Awesome.
it's impossible.